Hi children, welcome back to our channel Bhavya's Kids Tutorial. Please subscribe to our channel children. In the last video we will learn about kangaroo words. So in this video I will tell you some other example for the continuation of that video, that kangaroo words for other examples. Let's start. So kangaroo words, the definition already told in that video. Let's once you have to check that video. So some words, small words are hidden inside the big words, that we can call it as the kangaroo words. Let's start. Send, S-E-N-D, send, it is a one word. So here some small words also present in this big word, so that also having different meaning. Okay, send, S-E-N-D, send. So small word hidden in this big word is end, E-N-D, end. So send is a different meaning and end is also meaning is also different. Next, warm, W-A-R-M, warm. The kangaroo word present in this big word is the arm, A-R-M, arm. Okay. Next, cup, C-U-P, cup. The small word hidden in this word is the up, U-P, up. So listen carefully children. Both the words are different meaning and spelling also different. So they are present in this big word. Sit, S-I-T, sit. So kangaroo word present in this word, I-T, it, I-T, it. Match, M-A-T-C-H, match. So kangaroo word present in this, the small word hidden in this big word is a mat, M-A-T, M-A-T, mat. Next, funnel, F-U-N-N-E-L, funnel. So small word hidden in this big word, that is the kangaroo word, the fun, F-U-N, fun. Okay. Next is the pond, P-O-N-D, pond. The small word hidden in this word, that is kangaroo word, is the on, O-N, on. Okay. Next, fair, F-A-I-R, fair. So kangaroo word present in this word, that is the small word, is the air, A-I-R, air. Next, street, S-T-R-E-E-T, street. The small word present in this big word, that is kangaroo word, is tree, T-R-E-E, tree, T-R-E-E, tree. Next, sand, S-A-N-D, sand. Kangaroo word present in this big word, that is small word hidden in this big word, is a and, A-N-D, and. Okay. Next, shell, S-H-A-L-L, shell. So kangaroo word present in this, that is means small word, is a al, A-L-L. Next, ball, B-A-L-L, ball. The kangaroo word, hidden word in this word is a all. Again, all, A-L-L. Next, street, S-T-R-E-E-T, street. So kangaroo word, we have to select here hidden word, the small word, means small word is the S-T-R-E-E-T, street. So tree, T-R-E-E-T, T-R-E-E, tree. Okay. Next, share, S-H-A-R-E, share. So small word present here is the R, A R E R. Next, plate. P-L-A-T-E. Plate. Late. Kangaroo word. It is a small word hidden in this big word. The late. L-A-T-E. Alone. Alone. Lawn. Small word is a lawn. L-O-N-E. Next, brain. B-R-A-I-N. Brain. So small word. That is a kangaroo word. We have to write in from this big word the rain. R-A-I-N. Rain. Okay, next is the goat. G-O-A-T. Goat. So go. We have to write two words. G-O and at. A-T at. Wall. W-A-L-L. Wall. So small word, that is a kangaroo word, is the al. A-L-L.